common English mistakes you may be making, and how to fix them.
Don't say, I feel myself feverish. Say, I feel feverish. Don't say, after doing the work, his face brightened. Say, after he had done the work, his face brightened. Don't say, we shall be glad to get your good news. Say, we shall be glad to get good news from you. Don't say, how many days left for you to quit your position? Say, how many days are left before you quit your job? Don't say, did Thailand come into rain season? Say, is it the rainy season in Thailand? Don't say, how was your sleeping yesterday? Say, did you have a good sleep yesterday? Don't say, he is trying to look cute to make himself forgiven. Say, he is trying to get away with it by looking cute. Don't say, why don't stay more time here? Say, why don't you stay a little longer? Don't say, but you know a lot about computer, isn't it? I know nothing at all about it. Say, but you know a lot about computer, don't you? I myself know nothing about it. Don't say, the discussion will begin after the dinner. Say, the discussion will begin after dinner. Don't say, it is easy or not get visa. Say, is it easy to get visa? Don't say, I wonder why are you keep study after graduated high school. Say, I wonder why you keep studying after graduation from high school. Don't say, he will be great help for you. Say, he will be of great help to you. Don't say, what sport are you interested? Say, what sports are you interested in? Don't say, make sure that it is a high-pay job. Say, make sure that it is a high-paying job. Don't say, we have lots of rain because we're in monsoon season. Say, there is a lot of rain here as we are in monsoon season now. Don't say, he succeeded to get the prize. Say, he succeeded in getting the prize. Don't say, the students were busy to prepare their lessons. Say, the students were busy preparing their lessons. Don't say, please tell him, don't come now. Say, please tell him not to come now. Don't say, I saw them to work. Say, I saw them work. Don't say, you had better to go now. Say, you had better go now. Don't say, we make the bread with the flour. Say, we make the bread with flour. Don't say, the experience is the best teacher. Say, experience is the best teacher. Don't say, Lucy has been absent from Monday. Say, Lucy has been absent since Monday. Don't say, the answer of this question is quite complicated. Say, the answer to this question is quite complicated. Don't say, what is the difference of these two things? Say, what is the difference between these two things? Don't say, I think your express will have a little difficult. But that is a lucky thing. I can understand you. Say, I think you have difficulty in expressing your idea. Luckily, I can understand you. Don't say, I know you are good in computer and English. Say, I know you are good at computer and English. Don't say, I think your qualification will surely make you open a computer training center. Say, I think you can open up a computer training center with your qualifications. Don't say, John has just been commissioned as the captain. Say, John has just been commissioned as captain.